Hi, welcome back to IT Asset Management tutorial video section. Today, we are going to see about the status board of IT Asset Management. The status board provides an overview of the current technical situation that affects the operations of the business. Our status board displays how many issues is in the various states, like the operational issue, performance issue, partial and major outage. These are the various groups. By clicking here, you can view the issues of the relevant group. Let's see how to create a group first. Go to the groups of the status board, and click on Create Groups. Now, enter the group name here. You can also enable or disable the group. For example, enable the group, and click on Save to see how it works. Just come back to the board page to view. Yes. Now you can find out the newly added group. If you do not want to show the group on the dashboard, you would need to disable the group here. Once the group has added, you can create items to show under the group. To create the new items, go to this page, and click on Create Item. Now, enter the name and choose the status. Then choose the group, which you have added just before. Then visibility of this item can be managed here. Once done, click on Save to proceed. You can view this in the board page. See, the newly added item has shown under the newly added group. If you want to hide this item from this group, just go to the item page and use the pencil icon to edit. Choose Public and unclick this checkbox. Click on Save to proceed. In this final step, let's see how to add an incident to our board. Just go to the Open Incidents to create a new incident. Click on the new incident. These are the items, which have added earlier. Choose the required fields, and enter the subject and notes. This status field is to manage the current state of an incident. For example, some maintenance will be performed in a regular manner. So you can choose the scheduled status for this scenario. Likewise, the status needs to change according to the situation. Finally, click on Save. To manage the incidents, go back to the Open Incident page. Click on the pencil icon to edit the incident. Use this icon only to update the status. Then the entire history of this incident can be viewed here. To view this incident on board, just click here. You can find out the today's incident. The board will also show the last 7 days incident here. According to the status, the incidents will automatically move here. This is how our status board works. Hope you understand the status board module. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.